What if Earth's greatest threat isn't from within, but from deep space? Deadly cosmic forces are lurking, powerful enough to end civilization in an instant. From killer asteroids to invisible black holes, these are the most dangerous cosmic disasters that could destroy Earth. 1. Gamma ray bursts, the universe's deadliest beams. A single burst of energy, strong enough to wipe out life on Earth. This is a gamma ray burst, one of the most violent events in the universe. These deadly beams are created when massive stars collapse, or when neutron stars collide. If one were aimed at Earth from within 10,000 light years, it could destroy our ozone layer. Without protection, solar radiation would scorch the planet, leading to mass extinction. 2. Asteroid Impacts history. Repeating itself? 65 million years ago, an asteroid ended the age of dinosaurs. But what if another one is headed our way? NASA is tracking several near-Earth asteroids, including Apophis. It will make a dangerously close pass in 2029. While impact is unlikely, a large enough asteroid could trigger massive tsunamis, firestorms, and a global blackout of sunlight. 3. Solar superstorms. A catastrophic blackout. The sun is our greatest source of life, but it could also bring destruction. A powerful solar storm, like the Carrington event of 1859, could disable power grids, satellites, and communication networks. If this happened today, it could wipe out electricity worldwide, sending civilization into chaos. 4. Rogue black holes, invisible killers. Hidden in the darkness of space, rogue black holes are drifting, undetected. If one passed close to our solar system, its immense gravity could disrupt Earth's orbit, causing devastating climate changes. Scientists believe rogue black holes are rare, but with billions of them in the universe, are we truly safe? 5. Supernova explosions, the galactic death wave. When a massive star dies, it erupts in a supernova, an explosion so powerful it outshines entire galaxies. If a supernova happened within 50 light-years of Earth, its radiation could destroy our ozone layer, exposing us to deadly cosmic rays. One star, Betelgeuse, is close to the end of its life. When it explodes, it will put on a spectacular show. But thankfully, it's just far enough to keep Earth safe. So, should we be afraid? While these cosmic disasters are rare, they remind us how fragile life on Earth is. Space is full of mysteries, some beautiful, some terrifying. But one thing is certain, the universe always keeps us guessing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-blowing space content. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.